We'll guide you through how to turn on an HP laptop for the first time. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So perhaps you literally just bought this brand new HP laptop, or you may have got a second-hand one, or you're using someone else's, and you're wondering how you can go and power it on. We're going to guide you through this step by step. If you've just gone and got it, I'd recommend you go and connect it to the power. So what you need to do is go and grab its power adapter and cable. I've got the end here for the laptop. I've actually already gone and plugged in the other end to the wall, just there. And so then what we need to do with this is we actually come on to the right-hand side, and you're going to go and see the power socket just here, or power plug for it. Slide that in, make sure you push it all the way in like so, just so it goes and gets some battery. Now in some cases it may already have some battery anyway, but I like to do that anyway. And now to go and power it on, you'll be thinking, where is the power button? Well, it's actually within the keyboard, so it isn't that obvious. As you can see, it's just here. So now to go and power this on, what we're gonna do is go and press this down, like so, and keep it held down until it goes and lights up. Now it's going to go to start powering on. Give it a good few seconds and shortly the screen should light up, and shortly we're going to go and see the HP logo. So as you can see, it's now starting. And so that's it. That is how you can go and turn it on for the first time. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.